Hello everyone and welcome to another TrustLaunch tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stake TrustLaunch tokens and how you can potentially earn some rewards. Before we get started, I just want to say that this is not a recommendation to stake your tokens, but simply showing you the process of doing so. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to trustlaunch.com, make sure your wallet's connected. I am connected to the testnet. You can do this for yourself and test it all out. But if you were on mainnet, it would look for the exact same. So what you're going to head over to the staking page, and this is the staking page here. You can see the total staking rewards paid out, 0.04 BNB. Now that's low because testnet charges 0 fees, so it accumulates very slowly. But you can go ahead and just see this page for yourself. Of course, on the testnet there is a TLT faucet because I have a balance of 0 TLT because I can't purchase the token, right? So we're gonna go ahead and click confirm here on my wallet to get that 100 TLT. And you can see here, this will pop up any second. I'll have a balance. There it is. And now I can go ahead and stake those tokens. And of course, you can click here, 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 do what you wish. And I have to increase my allowance. If this is the first time you're staking, you would click approve here and it would ask you to input an allowance. But because I can only put an allowance based on the amount of tokens I have to increase it every time I stake. So I'm going to go ahead and increase custom spending cap to 100 tokens, the max. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next and approve on my wallet here. I know you didn't see that, but that's all I did there. And you don't have to put the max. You can put however much. You can set your allowance to the amount that you want to stake. And then you can go ahead and click stake here. And you'll see my stake balance go up here. And how staking works with TrustLaunch is very interesting. It's different than a lot of staking platforms out there. For example, you do not have to lock your tokens for a specific amount of time. You can withdraw at any time. Anytime you want, you can withdraw your tokens. However, keep in mind, there is a limited number of stakers available to stake their tokens on the TrustLaunch platform. I believe the initial will be 500. If you're watching this well into the future, it could be higher than that. But let's say, 500 people stake their tokens, you will not be able to stake. You missed that chance. So it's important. You would have to wait for someone to withdraw or for the token to grow to a point where we increase that amount. Now it's super easy. Oh, hang on here. I gotta just approve my transaction. Yeah, there it is. Confirm there, and you'll see that number go up to 500. So that's how it works. There's no time locking when it comes to staking. I could withdraw all my tokens right now, and the same is true for mainnet. Keep in mind you got that 500 limit. And another thing too is you do not earn TrustLaunch tokens. You actually earn BNB. So by locking your TrustLaunch tokens, you earn BNB. And how that works is 5% of all the fees are paid out to stakers. So all the fees from launching tokens, from launch pads, from premium launch, from airdrops, from all of these services that we offer, 5% of all those fees goes into a pool and gets distributed to those stakers. Now, the more you stake, the more you earn, of course. And again, we limit the amount of stakers so that the rewards remain high. So that is the goal anyways, right? So it's pretty interesting concept. I think it's very easy to use, super simple. You're not locked in, so you don't feel that stress. You can withdraw at any time. So a super unique contract. And that's all there is to it, guys. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.